Did you know that stem cells can be harvested from menstrual blood? I find religion fascinating, and I studied religion as part of my A-levels before I went to university. But something that really bothers me about a lot of religious traditions is the attitude towards women and periods, ritual purity. I was in Bali over the summer, and there were a lot of temples that excluded women when they were on their period. I had a patient yesterday going to Mecca, and she asked if she could delay her period, not for convenience, but because she couldn't perform the circumambulation of the Kaaba or any of the prayer rituals because she would have otherwise been menstruating. In Jewish tradition, I think it comes from Leviticus, let's see, menstruating women must separate for 7 days, and any object she sits on or lies upon during this time becomes a carrier of tuma or midras, uncleanliness. You know, in 2007, scientists discovered that menstrual blood contains stem cells. It's completely freely given, no biopsies required, and these are supercharged stem cells, which means that they can replicate in just 19 hours compared to the 2 to 8 days it takes bone marrow stem cells to replicate. They've been used in Alzheimer's disease research, and they are the cornerstone of regenerative medicine. And this is the so-called waste product of women's bodies. The fact of the matter is, women's bodies create and sustain life. So even our menstrual blood, which is seen as a waste product, is brimming with pluripotent stem cells, which can be used to create any kind of cell in the body. I think that this is just mind-blowing. Gaia was the Greek goddess of earth and the mother of all life. I would really love for organised religious traditions that exist today to perhaps reflect on this Greek mythology and see whether the role of women in our bodies in creating and sustaining life can have a little bit more respect when it comes to what we are and we aren't allowed to do and where we are allowed to be.